Hey guys, in my last video I talked about that there are two scenarios where if the market believes that the risk is gone, and election's over, the market is in risk off mode, that we're going to have this kind of green scenario. If the market continue to drift down, rise on the street, all that stuff, or stimulus bill has been delayed, we're gonna have this pink scenario that's happening. It seems that today we have the green scenario. We have the beginning of the green scenario here. However, this is not a price action I expect. And in today's video, I want to talk about can this rally be trusted? Can this election rally be trusted? And I want to talk about, so first of all, let's take a look at where we came from, right? In the last video, go watch it. In 2016, right, the market came from a flat bottom, came from lots of volatility, horizontal consolidation, and election happened here, and we are in risk off. We had a long bull market. Today is different. Today, the market actually, we came from a crash from March, and we had this huge rally from March 2020, right, from this year. And right now, the market is very, very extended. That's a fact, right? And we have quite a bit of volatility going on here, similar to a stage that happened after a particular long kind of a rally, right? So let's take a look at this one from the February 2016 to January 2018. That is 81%. And from the bottom of March 2020 to today, in such a short period of time, we have rallied 84%. There are a lot of money that's willing to take profit. That is a fact, okay? That is all shown on the chart. You don't have to argue against that. And this particular rally here, in my honest opinion, it cannot be trusted because this is a one-day spike that is just very euphoric, and it looks to me that it's a short squeeze. The reason is we have a lot of people putting on short positions here. You can see that here. This kind of a move, slowly drifting down, provides a very good entry or very good way to attract shorts, right? Because if the price gradually drifting down, you see, think about what you're doing every day. You're just putting on more short position. You're shorting a lower low, right? You're shorting lower low, and every day you're making money. And then this one-day spike, basically, especially it happened overnight, right? This is the Nasdaq E-mini future. But if we look at the index itself, we're basically gapped up here and trapping a lot of short sellers. And so today's rally is more of a short squeeze than the actual, I would say, actual rally based on real demand, right? So once all the short sellers have been squeezed out, I expect this thing just gonna roll over very quickly. That's what I expect. And so I wouldn't trust this rally, this one-day rally. It happened in history quite not very often, but it happened before. Let me just take a look. Maybe I can find something like that. Like for example, here in a downtrend, we had this one-day rally to the upside. This is a 10% right here, 10% one day, right? And gap up, right? A lot of people got caught off guard. They have to liquidate their position, their short positions. What else? I think there are other scenarios like this. It's very rare to have this kind of spike in the index itself because it's just tremendous amount of money that's being poured in, when also tremendous amount of short squeezing many stocks. that's happened today in a single day. And it's really rare. But to me, this one is, it cannot be trusted, and it actually leaves this huge gap here that's waiting to be filled. Doesn't mean all the gaps should be filled, but this one looks to me will be filled sooner or later. Sooner or later. And another thing that we can take a look at this market structure is that if you are 2018, look at this. We came from 2016. We had a huge rally, right? Gonna turn on the log chart here. And obviously this rally takes a much longer time. This is a 70% rally in a Dow, similar in Nasdaq. I'm just showing a different index anyway. So here we have 80% rally in Nasdaq, right? We came from this bottom, and then we kind of came down and consolidated. And everything is happening faster in this cycle, right? This is 712 days. This is 164 days that we completed this move in 164 days. We completed this move in 712 days, and this is a 3 times faster move than the Dow, right? I'm just going to put this in Nasdaq actually. It's going to make it much easier. Actually, the Dow chart is more representative. I'm gonna put it back here. Anyway, I think I'm just doing pattern fitting, but you have to be aware of this kind of historical events, like what happened in history, what kind of move the market could potentially make, right? You have to be aware of all the possibilities. Like for example, this one, right? We came down. We made that huge rally. We topped out, came down, consolidated. We consolidated here. Everything is happening faster. And if we look at here, it seems that we are, like for example, like this area could be corresponds to the psychology that's happening here, right? You can see that here we had a double bottom. We had a double bottom here. We had a double bottom, then we came up here, right? It could be that scenario. We came down again. We kind of zigzagging down again. But now we are doing this. So we could be here or we could be here, right? So maybe we're here. We had a spike. Just in a couple of days, try to squeeze the short sellers, right? Then what happened after that wasn't pretty, right? So this kind of rally, I just can't trust it. I just cannot trust it. Because it happens not very often in history, but it happened. I mean, even not that far back, right? Like 2018 it happened, this kind of move happened. And if we just kind of fast forward here, you can see that immediately we got shut down. Once we get to a key level, maybe it's just going to be here, close to the top, close to the previous top. Maybe this level. I'm just going to draw this line here. So last time we came to this level, maybe this time we have another day going up. We're going to come to here, going to be rejected again. Okay, and then came down for a couple of days, came up again, failed again, second attempt. It's kind of a, so are we gonna have a second attempt? I don't know, maybe we won't, right? Because everyone's looking at the chart. People probably found out that we're making a similar move. If we do get shut down, if we do get shut down here, maybe we won't have another try. Maybe we won't come up again. Who knows, right? But the thing is, just, this kind of stuff just cannot be trusted. It's a one-day massive rally. If you have bought here, congratulations, you made a lot of money today. But if you're buying today, when the market gapped up, you know, at 9 o'clock, you're buying at 9 o'clock, you probably still barely break even and you're losing money today. Then maybe tomorrow we're just going to get rejected, get shut down. And then, you know, look at this. Just think about this all looks kind of like horizontal consolidation. This all looks like horizontal consolidation. And whenever this happens for a long time, compared to the rally itself, like everything has to be in proportion, right? Bad things happen after that, right? Like if you look at this here, just in a couple of days, we broke down this level. We might break down from here, this particular level. We try to climb back up. So this looks there's a mini short squeeze here. Like people who tried to short here obviously wasn't too happy for the next couple of days, but okay, I was wrong. That a couple of days was indeed a crash. Anyway, so that's what happened. Okay, that's all I want to talk about today. But I mean, I forgot that, you know, this particular crash was really short lived. But still, like this kind of, my point is, this kind of rally cannot be trusted. Okay, if you're buying at the high of this rally, just don't do it. Wait for a lower low. Wait for a break below, shake people out, maybe retest this level. Right. See, even you know what happened after history by going through it, you notice that this is a very difficult bottom to catch, right? And so if you're a long-term holder, you probably don't want to sell your shares. Maybe we're just going horizontal again. Eventually, we're gonna make to the upside. But if you are trying to add to your position, I'm pretty sure there will be a better buying points that's coming up in a month or two. Probably December, just like 2018 December, we had a mini crash. Maybe this time December we had a mini crash. We can buy more. And that's it. That's all I want to talk about today. And see you next time.